woke up from a nap. You can hear Wicked in the background, not the bathroom. Oh my god. Okay. Today has just been one of those days where nothing has worked for me. Like, everything today has sucked. I had a nap. I've been listening to some show tunes. I ate a Snickers bar, which is a chocolate bar. Pretty sure Snickers is everywhere. I'm feeling much better. It's 6 o'clock now. Today I'm going to be filming and sharing with you my spring nighttime routine. If you've seen my morning routine, you know that I work from home. Today I was kind of in and out and doing a few jobs, and I had to fax a few things and I had to ship out a few things, and yeah, it's great. But yeah, no, so now I'm home for the rest of the night. Yeah, so if you're curious as to what I get up to in the evening time, then stick around. But yeah, I'm just gonna go make some dinner now because I am starving. Okay, for dinner, spaghetti. Yum. That's almost done. I have my concoction of salad, pretty much just cleaning up what was left of the fridge of my veggies. So I think there's some carrots, cucumbers. I threw some almonds in there, should be interesting. Celery, a bit of an orange pepper and a green pepper, and then just like a mixed, I don't even know what lettuce that's called, I don't know. And then in here, which should probably be done by now, yep, I have garlic bread. You hungry, Beth?
Not yet.
You're not yet? Why?
Working on it.
Okay. Beth, have you already gotten into the wine?
I know.
Tonight's dinner. I'm a princess. I put it on a separate plate because I didn't want it touching. Put some pepper and have some dinner. Alrighty, we're back. Sorry that wasn't really anything special. I kind of just ate dinner. I played some cards with my mom. What you saw was a game called Nerd. If you play Dutch Blitz, it's pretty much the same thing. It's basically you're just playing solitaire, but your aces stack in the middle. So you count how many cards you have at the end. So yeah. Oh, that's a giant spider. Look at that thing. Great. Alright. That's been dealt with. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry if you're into that stuff and like to save them. I just don't have time for that, sorry. It's 20 after 8. Tonight I'm gonna treat myself and do a little face mask. So Masquerade Beauty kindly sent me over some face masks. At first they sent me these two, and then they sent me another one of the Rosé peel off mask, and then they sent me another one. These are like stickers, so you just kind of put them on your spots and it's really cute and stuff. But anyway, I tried the Rosé one and it was a peel off, and I guess my skin was just so sensitive. Like, I peeled it and it like burnt my skin. Like, it was so red and it was so painful and it burned a lot. But I've talked to other people who've tried it and they absolutely love it. So I guess I just have super sensitive skin. So if you're like me and have very like high pigmented like sensitive skin, then it may, like, don't try the peel off one. So anyway, so I emailed them and I was like, look, I'm really sorry. Like, they're all so nice over there, and I really enjoyed like working with them and like talking back and forth. They're just so nice, and I was like, I'm so sorry, but this mask just, it hurts so much. So they were nice enough and they sent me their like hydrating line. So they gave me a brighten and prime. They gave me an exfoliate and detoxify. They gave me a firm and soften lines, and nourish and relax. So I am very excited. I'm gonna try these. Nourish and relax. I think I'm gonna nourish and relax. Today has been a day. But anyway, thank you so much, Masquerade Beauty, for sending me all these sheet masks and stuff. This one is a bubble, like a charcoal bubble sheet. So you know, that one that like foams up and everything. So that I'm excited to try that one and see what that's like. And then the mini sheet ones are, see these little like spots. You kind of just put them off and you can put them. They're like yay big or so. I think that's kind of cool. But anyway, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'm gonna take my rings off, and then I'm actually gonna go watch Jeopardy. So I usually watch Jeopardy every night for the most part. Sometimes I'm a little too busy. I do have a busy day tomorrow. I have a lot of meetings. It's gonna just be a late night and it's gonna be an early morning. So I do want to be in bed by like 9:30. So I think I'll just watch Jeopardy and come downstairs and get into bed. But yeah. Go into my beauty routine, my skincare routine.
Cold hands, red eyes, packed your bags at midnight.
face feels so soft. That mask is a lot nicer than the peel off one. Oh, that feels so nice. That's a nice mask. I think you would like that. I just killed a spider! Was it a really big black one? Yeah, what the heck? Okay. I'm gonna go put on the serum, the moisturizer, get my jammies on and crawl into bed. Oh my god, girl hair.
They'd say, can't hide the secrets. You can't forget about this mess. I'm waiting on the sidelines, from the sidelines. I see those tears in your eyes. I feel so helpless inside. Oh love, there's no need to hide. Just let me love you when your heart is tired. Your ghost pulls you up high. And if it feels like you lost who you are, my love, there's no need to hide. Just let me love you when your heart is tired. Just let me love you when your heart is tired. Just let me love you when your heart is tired. I see those tears in your eyes. I feel so helpless inside. Oh love, there's no need to hide. Just let me love you when your heart is tired. Just let me love you when your heart is tired.